Hi guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to review this Dr. Sheth's neem and BHA spot clarifying serum. So if you are considering buying this product or if you're wondering whether you should buy this product or not, watch this video till the end क्योंकि वीडियो के अंत तक आपको एक क्लियर पिक्चर मिल जाएगा whether you would like to buy this product or not and whether this product is for you or not. So without further delay, let's get into the video. Let's talk about the packaging first. This comes in this glass bottle with a pump dispenser. I really like this kind of packaging because this makes this super hygienic, and the color of the packaging is dark brown in color. So a lot of times, because this contains active in it, so actives they do react when it comes in contact with light or heat. So the dark color of this is working as its advantage. Also, one more thing about the packaging is that recent Dr. Sheth, they have launched their newer packaging of the same products, or they have revamped their um, packaging. So this is the older packaging that I have with me, not the latest one. So you can understand that I have used this and this is not something that I purchased newly. So now let's move on to the pricing. 30 ml of this retails for rupees 750. Neither I'm considering the price as pro nor as con. You might think the price is a little bit higher, but considering that you will need only a little amount of this and little goes a long way, this bottle is going to last you for a longer time. I think that do justify the price of the product. Before moving on to the first con of the product, let's see another pro, which is that this product is paraben free, sulfate free. This is vegan and Jain friendly. So if you're a Jain and considering, you can consider Dr. Sheth as a brand. The first con of this product is that if you want to see full ingredient list, you will not get it here, neither here nor here. You have to log in to the website to see their full ingredient list. Also, one thing to mention, which I have mentioned in my earlier Dr. Sheth's review video, is that the ingredients of a certain product in their website as well as on Nykaa, they are not the same. The ingredients in the ingredient list are not the same, as well as the order of the ingredients on the ingredient list are not the same. For example, I'll put a screenshot over here. In Dr. Sheth's website, the first ingredient of this product is purified water, whereas on Nykaa, the first ingredient of this one is salicylic acid. And salicylic acid was the first ingredient on Nykaa. And when you see salicylic acid, it's in the 6th place on Dr. Sheth's official website. I'm not telling that they are trying to hide the ingredients or the concentration of the ingredients, but me as a consumer or you as a consumer, we can get confused and overwhelmed that which concentration is correct, which order is correct, or which ingredient is correct. When we see the same products, ingredient is different, is mentioned differently at different platforms. So not just only this product or this brand, for that matter any brand, like I would like to see same ingredients, same description of the same products on different platforms. That will make more sense to me. Let's talk about the ingredients. This contains 2% salicylic acid, which is a beta hydroxy acid, BHA, or an exfoliant. This contains tea tree oil, which is basically anti-acne. This also contains neem oil, which is antibacterial. This contains niacinamide, which is a derivative of vitamin B3, which is a magical ingredient. This contains allantoin, and this also contains humectant glycerin, and they are all good ingredients, and I have not seen they have added any added perfume or a fragrance into their ingredients, which is a pro. Let's talk about the consistency of this. The consistency of this is thick, transparent, gel-like, and this contains green little pearls in it. Let's talk about who should not use this and who should use this. So if you are pregnant, you should not be using this. If you're somebody who is planning for pregnancy, or if you have just delivered your baby, then I would suggest you go consult your doctor. Go to someone who is within your reach, and don't listen to any stranger sitting online who is out of your reach. So consult with your doctors and see what they say, and then proceed accordingly. Who should consider buying this? If you're somebody who is suffering from oily, acne prone skin, clogged pores, if you have small little bumps all over your face, if you have blackheads, if you have whiteheads, beta hydroxy acid is oil soluble and it penetrates into your skin to dissolve all the dead skin cells that were clogging your pores. They have not mentioned elaborately how to use this, so if you don't use this correctly, and if you're somebody who's using this active for the very first time, instead of decreasing acne, this can even increase your acne. So be very, very, very cautious. They say that you can use this as a spot treatment and keep it overnight, but I would suggest you please don't keep overnight, especially if you are somebody who is not familiar with this active, or for that matter who is not accustomed to an active. This product and activate the neem pearls in it, and then apply on the areas where you have acne. Keep it for 5 minutes and then wash it off. Do it like this for the first week, and the first week apply it twice a week. Keep some days gap between the day 1 of first week and day 2 of first week, and then in the next week if your skin behaves well, then you can increase the timing from 5 to 10 minutes and more. You should go slow with your skincare products. So let me tell you my experience with this product. I purchased this product few months back, and I used this in the first month for 2 weeks, and then my skin broke out like anything. I had to stop using this for 2 to 3 weeks, and then again I started using this. Now I was using this wrong, and hence I'm talking from my own experience. And I will also suggest you that a lot of times what happens is that when you use this product, the size of your acne will reduce and also your scars will fade. It will take some time to fade, but yes, it will fade. And a lot of times we become so much greedy and we feel like, oh, my scars are fading and the size of the acne is reducing, so I would apply it every single day. What will happen, we'll apply for only 5 minutes or 10 minutes and then wash off. But it's that time you will ruin your skin barrier, trust me. Your skin may become more sensitive if you apply this every single day. So always have few days gap between the first application and the second application. Yeah, as I was telling that this product, this not only does reduce the size of the acne if used correctly, but also it fades the acne scar. I don't know whether you can see it or not, but here I had an acne scar. It's still there. It's not that it's completely gone, but yes, of course, here as well as here I could see my acne scars are fading away. But yeah, it will take some time because this contains niacinamide, so that will help in fading away the acne scars. But you have to keep this in your mind that the concentration of niacinamide in this one is very very low, so it will take some time. So yeah, that's all in my today's video, guys. I think I mentioned all the points that I would like to talk about in this video. If you like this video, give this video a big fat thumbs up. If you like my honest reviews, then do check out my other videos and subscribe, press bell icon. I'll meet you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.